Hey guys, welcome to Vegan Bean. Super short video. This is the hitch that we use for hauling the Basecamp 16X. So it's not a 2-inch, it's a little bit bigger than that, 2 5/16. So make sure you have the right size. I wasn't sure, I thought it was a 2-inch, but fortunately I had this on the truck when we headed out, so one didn't create any issue picking up the unit. I do have a locking pin on here. Unfortunately, people like to steal things in the world, and it's not uncommon for hitches to disappear. And how fun is it to be out in a remote area with other campers and come back and find out you have no hitch, and you're going to be making a long road trip to get this back on your unit. So that is it for this video. I'll put the link below to where I got these little guys.